In this video, we'll talk about the negative effects a sedentary lifestyle can have on your health. A sedentary lifestyle is the fourth leading risk factor for global mortality. According to the World Health Organization, 60 to 85% of the world's population does not engage in enough physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle doubles the risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and obesity. It also increases the risk of colon cancer, high blood pressure, and other serious health disorders. A sedentary lifestyle is responsible for more annual deaths than smoking worldwide. As per Arch Munnis, from the University of Florida, achieving a body mass index in the normal range should not give people a false sense of confidence that they are in good health. If you are not exercising, you are not doing enough. Obesity is caused by a sedentary lifestyle or prolonged physical inactivity, which can lead to various health problems. When a person remains inactive for a long period of time, mental health is also affected. It leads to increased chances of depression, anxiety, stress, and restlessness. Inactivity for an extended period of time may increase the risk of certain types of cancer, such as lung, breast, or colon cancer. Bones and muscles are made to work. Inactivity for long periods of time makes bones and muscles weak, which increases the chances of osteoporosis. Remaining inactive for long periods can be a reason for high blood pressure, poor cholesterol levels, and increased blood sugar levels, which may lead to heart disease or stroke. Indulge in more physical activities, like running, cycling, or playing outdoor games. Adopt the habit of exercising daily. It is recommended for a minimum of 30 minutes per day. Use stairs in place of lifts, and prefer to attend mobile calls while walking. Take walk breaks in place of tea breaks. Park your vehicle away from the shopping area or work area, so that you can walk. Adopt yoga and meditation. By subscribing to our Mansi Healthy Living channel, you can take part in our initiative to spread awareness. Like and share in your groups. Thanks for watching. To read more, visit us at mansisurvivalaidfoundation.com.